486.
Leading. Making a follow station South Alpha, West Baltimore, Baltimore Station. Now on track 1 is Mark 486. Making a follow station South Alpha, West Baltimore, Baltimore Station. Only traveling passengers looking to board the train. Watch your step train platform. Have a pleasant trip and thank you for choosing tomorrow.
How you doing, boss?
Female engineer.
Do you say female engineer?
We got a female.
Sweet, that's awesome.
We even got a horn show.
36 engine, 26 leading.
Still filming? Yeah, I'm still filming. You can give him a question, go ahead.
I just got scared from 486. That's a so far will make you jump even when you're prepared for it. Guys! It always helps to have headphones. Alright, 486 departure.
Exit is 92
I'll check after this Mark train.
Have a good day, boss.
92.
And just around next on the southbound platform, track number 3 will be entered all reserve train 145, the all reserve train to Roanoke. This is an all reserve train. You're taking must read train number 145 in today's date. Arriving next on the southbound platform, track number 3 will be entered all reserve train number 145. Making a following station south of New Carrollton, Washington Station, Alexandria, Burger Center, Manassas, Culpeper, Charlottesville, Lynchburg, and Roanoke. Exit the double doors, make a right, take the stairs or the elevator, go up. Walk to the bridgeway and down to track 3 for train 145, the all reserve train to Roanoke. As you leave the waiting room, please check and make sure you have all your personal belongings. For your safety, please stand behind the yellow safety strip on the platform until the train is a police station stop. Please watch yourself on board and keep all children well in hand. Business class will be the last on the train. Business class will be the last on the train on train 145. Making a following station south of New Carrollton, Washington Station, Alexandria, Burger Center, Manassas, Culpeper, Charlottesville, Lynchburg, and Roanoke. Have a pleasant trip and thank you for choosing Amtrak.